Welcome, everyone. I'm using a Realme 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So, to get started, let's open up the settings right here and scroll down to additional settings, and at the top you will find storage. Choose that, and then go into your SD card tab where you will find format SD card option. Tap on it. Gives you a message that all data on this SD card will be erased, so you might want to back it up before, assuming there's something you want to keep. But if there isn't, tap on format SD card and do it once more, and the process will now begin. It's a fairly quick, only takes a couple seconds, and once it's finished with it should be, there we go, finished now. Tap on OK and you're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.